Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
I want to thank all Edo people that have voiced that, take their time to come out to voice their voice, to talk their talk, to speak their speak, to make sure that we are able to draw the attention of the palace to the criminal behaviors of most of the I know it's not all the Ohens, but most of the Ohens. But most of the Ohens in Benin City, in Edo State, the way the Ohen have become a terrorist, they are beginning to terrorize the Edo people left, right, and center, collecting people's private property, people's family lands, people's farmland. So by the time we now realize that these guys are not hurting alone, they are using the name of the palace to commit that crime. Because they know that as an individual, as Ohen mean chief priest of that village. We be say maybe you call Wakago river can't dry. They'll come say wait till come in river dry. Oh, if there is something going on in the land, okay, let us invite the chief priest. May come see what they happen for us. How we obtain, make sacrifice or make sure say the water with the river come back. Those are now waiting we know chief priest for Ohen or in Rigwe. No be say chief priest go and the saddest part of all these things be say we come to hear say now former Omada Roland Ehoy, Mr. Roland. Now he the current chief priest will not come from the. Because before you become a chief priest of that village, you have to be an indigene of that village. You have to, let me say you're supposed to, you have to be an indigene of that village before you become a chief priest of that village. But when you call the apple, we say, Roland Eho now see himself. Person we come, see, he come to say the level we in day night, don't have. Roland, former mother, we the carry of mother follow on number. So won't give you such power to just carry your friend, go put her for the village where you know for come. In the name of say, go they help and they facilitate the sales of other people's private lands, farmland, private properties. And before you become an Ohen to any village, you have to be an indigene. You have to be an Omoto of that village. Your papa has to be from there, or your mama from there, or both of them from there, or you be born there. Not in a situation where your father and your mother are not from that village. You be no born there. You no grow up there. They'll just send you there. Go be your hand. You can't reach there. The community can't give you land. You can't build your palace for there. You are not an indigene of that land. The next thing after they sell people land, they use the name of the palace to oppress them on top of it. Fear no will let them talk. Those era has come and go. People will speak. Thank God to the lives of social media now. So that was our own grievances. I said, how can these people be committing all this atrocity using the name of the palace? And the palace is still right there. The Benin Traditional Council. People say, don't mention the Benin Traditional Council. Mention the names of the individuals. No. No. You cannot mention the name of the individuals. If your Peking teacher do bad thing, he abuse your pikin, you know, go let me mention the teacher name. The school where the teacher for the work, the name of that school, it will be on a limelight. So you cannot just come out and say Roland Eho, Secretary of Benin. No, Benin Traditional Council at the palace, they have to be involved. So that is the only way you can draw that attention that is needed to solve the problem on ground. So as we speak now, the Ohen of Okoromi has been bound from the palace. The Ohen of Okoromi, Oha, we just carry one street. He just face one side, go reach ground. He said, I ain't get it. Your papa, your mama not come from that village. Well, which one you can't work? You can't buy one land, you day one full street finish. You are saying not be only that teacher. People with different videos. This on worker. Now he has been banned from the palace, and I want to thank Emmanuel Agbogun. That man put his life on the line. Anybody we don't get that man, they collect people land. You know, they're like they feel same people say me they just go shoot you or no bullet and strange bullet. They can just assassinate you because that is their source of income. Grabbing other people's land, other people's properties. Emmanuel Agbogun will thank you for putting your life on the line. So say where Kola Idokbayi, Apostle Yosa, Esadios Azosa when holding, and I like the way social media president came out as well in full force. Honor one retiring no shit. Thanks to all you honor every other Edo concerned Edo people that understand the way to mash line in this kind of matter, so that we'll be able to get a concrete and lasting solution. Then body the hand of Okoromen, that will send a sad message to other. Say yes, if you misbehave like this, you can be banned from the palace, and that your power will be taken from you as a as those communities are doing go one so women rights. You hear I'm not banning job where go on ya claim motor no way. So that this is the song where Abatoba said the defend that time. I was shocked. Abatoba said, how can Abatoba say be defend such thing? How can you be the same? But the oil came out on Abatoba's platform. It's an Igaland. It was defending his actions. The oil came out in Abatoba's platform. The oil was defending his criminal actions. Say, wow. And Abatoba's was inside, was defending him too. Abatoba's market now, the oil where they defend, they don't ban her for palace. If the oil no guilty, they go ban them. If the oil no commit crime, they go ban them. The oil fight, so that oil for Koromi, the guy fight. I take fight. He first bar Abatoba's. It is an all about the social media. He bought him, and he went ahead. You go buy one Idioma where they say na audio with your Idioma for come. You go buy your Idioma. The Idioma go come out for ITV, come old paper. It's na he get teacher house. He na say na if buy the land. For where the land they Ogbede community. Some people can you imagine? When you know say nobody you get that land. The Ohe come he come organize those things. Just to paint himself, say na he say in a good person. The Ohe first and say na he get him. You can go arrange for a Joma go carry paper come out again for ITV say na he buy land. You know, they were just complicating themselves. So we want to see Kotisugbo be banned from that palace. Anyone or go allow Kotisugbo walk away why gay like what? Kotisugbo or via Ologbo is not from Ologbo community. That guy is not from Ologbo community, but it's constituted nuisance in that community. Can you imagine? Kotisugbo na yegwa ya fieki. Ona ohin ka mo ko ni ona ifeto ko ni ajuwegwa. Egwo ha me Kotisugbo no ha mo ko ni no jegwa. The palace gave tell him to well okay mo ko ni ajegwa. You know, brother Umato, ona collected document tera. They right there. No, they for officer your ban courtesy now no wait no yami or botera. You now later call the woman or babe the nogi of Ologbo. Yeah, he take over the land. Why? For what reason? Amagonye be no ya time. Should I put it in writing? You should make it official. No? Awo Rene Kotisugbo extending yemu ye gwagbeno ose na ya pe ma ko kotisugbo we kwa Michael ya ni lawa cause na mele ivie gonedo iye ya hiye land grabbing they use the name of the palace esteni no mu ge gbo pologbe kotisugbo kieke no jo pologbo esteni no mu ge pologbo and no jo pologbo ni e wo vi ologbo era o ma ke ba ni re ave gera ade no de wologi nogie we village no makere only say name ya na ariana before you become a nogie we must be an indigenous of the land before you become a be an indigenous of that village only say okay mi ojo we no waziba we olowo because ojo we a village ni ye tele ade okay de mi ojo we waziba olowo e ti ya be ze o but ogi yen tuwa we yo because a village ni enya je since Johnny ke do sinyagbe e no je no make village awa die e ro la de ko wa gbaro si opa no go bo wa are village ni are wa na gele wa se wa la huwa o so igage to wa to no manya so the owner for Horomi he has been banned from the palace. The owner for Horomi has been banned from the palace. So we give kudos and we thank our Monoba Nedo and all the responsible elders inside that palace. Because Yamao, where Nemado Adios and get whining. So you know they do the needful. They do the needful. So that's it, my people. I thank all our brothers, all the names I mentioned previously, that actually put their life and their neck and their name and their reputation on the line to make sure that this land grabbing of a thing become a thing of the past in Edo State. So all you guys are highly appreciated. Thank you all very much for all your effort well spent. So my year for you and the rest of the Oheno, you commit a crime. A social media now Okulian Alawa. A Pishian a social media with the video near me Martoni. My words in my land, no give of name we don't carry my land. A no give of name we don't carry my land. Yeah. I don't think they'll be happy about it. Again, a guy with my we don't want palace to be harboring such people. No. We want people to have confidence in the palace. Why they go? We are here. Oh yes, I know that I'm not guilty. He must do me justice. You okay? I know why I'm more. We are the book. Why you? I say, well, you're my brother again. Oh, I don't okay. So. That guy is a criminal. And then he go a platform with the Mofina one. Man, we want you one. We are going to feel at all. We watch you. Baby, down. We go already an idea. You work one. Yeah, a boy coaches. We are here about Ladia. Idiani, yes, he get one of my banners soon. Just to deceive. It's all about his own stomach. You go near make and whatever. Ere ko ti sugbo ma do to ma invest okewu. Avere ma no invest in even to okewu ko ti sugbo o ya mu ya to here ologo. You got unu wa go is going to be very disastrous. About say go on the on for Horomi that day. How you go you see truth like this? You don't want the vendor. But God, the things people do for money is shocking. The things people Abatobase can't tell us what they banned you all for Horomi for palace. What do you do? Don't be now people now with the thief. Can't tell us that. So the Ohio for Horomi has been banned from the palace of Benin. Avenue wine boya beg anyway, yes. The you be taught to salt. Where like wine. Zano, they get one money there. One for Horomi, when you are people. That thing I do you my ya we ya wa gele wa we so that nigga like when obia mi nekere do ari oza gegwa yo ha chon ya wo ho yin me o ha me no gwa na obia o mehi nonsense. So my people, the home for Koromia has been banned. Akwa ya kwa egwa ya wa kwa ruwa. So they no get follow bowe okotisugbo ni alawo ni akunya ifani. Iya de ozaje gwa kotisugbo na wa mu ko na mu aju we gwado ya fi phone 19. Am I be honi de. Ne ma ke fi phone 19 ma be on na wara ho wa. Kotisugbo wi ma wo no do yi bi even bo we na di mo fi ya even bo na do we gwa no ya even bo we. O wi ma wo fi akesi ai. Amana yi bi even bo we ni akwa ruwa kotisugbo e no ge fologbo. Oh, ekidani adoni shani ayegwado. You never do things like that. Egwarororo. Kotisugbo na wa ya mo gwagoto. We don't wa to egwa hu. Owo bo we kotisugbo bana hamwe mi ge nyorin yan to ko ni kotisi. Won pa ke pa ni edoni no. Ose nya wa kotisugbo we no jofologbo. Nya wa bandiyan ya regbe la wegwa. Those guys are notorious and chronic criminal land grabber. Why are we